Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's hairstyle, I'm going to do a bow tie hairstyle. I saw this online on Pinterest and also Instagram, so I thought I'd give it a go, but this is not the first time I've tried it. I tried it a few times, but I'm trying it again today, so hopefully, fingers crossed, it works out well. Okay, let's get to it. Grab two sections from the side of your head to meet at the crown of your head and tie with a hairband. Be careful not to grab too much hair, as your bow tie might not be able to hold and you may need a few more hair slides. So it looks like this. Make sure that remaining hair is pointing downwards. So put your thumb inside the loop, divide the loop equally into two parts, and using both hands take one side each. Gently place one side of the hair on the side, and using your fingers as a guide, try to spread the hair to make it look like a little bit of a bow. And using your fingers, you want to just put the hair slide just underneath the bow, and using your fingers again, just put the hair slide in the top of the section of the bow. Do the same with the other side. You could have two hair slides for each side of the bow. However, if you feel like you need more, you can always put more hair slides to hold it down. It always helps if you have an extra mirror in your hand, so you can check what the back looks like. As you can see, the one on the right is a little bit dodgy, so I'm just going to take it and fix it up again, and using my finger as a guide, make sure I put it in, and it's still lopsided bow. So this bit might take a few tries just to get it right. However, if you keep checking with another mirror, you should be able to see where it goes wrong, and you can just use an extra hair slide to pin it in place. Okay, so that's looking a little bit more even now. So now what you want to do, from the leftover hair, grab a small section, create a loop at the top, and loop the hair through the middle. Make sure you pull it tight because you don't want it to be all loose, and use a hair slide to just keep it in place so it doesn't fall apart during the day. So you may need to keep using another mirror to keep checking if it's okay, and if it's not, you can just adjust it slightly. As you can see, the hairband of my one is sticking out a little bit. I'm just going to fix that up, and that is the finished look. If you'd like to make it even more fancier, you could always curl the ends of your hair, and that would really elevate the look. Okay, so that is the final look. I can't believe it actually worked. The amount of times I tried before, you wouldn't believe it. Like me, if it was the first time you've done it and it doesn't go well, don't worry, just try again. I'm pretty sure you'll get there. Just don't give up. Try again. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and hope to see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys.